Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to register Boloup app, how to become a registered user of Boloup app. As we all know, Boloup is an interesting app, just like Popo app. Those of us that are familiar with Popo app. So what you need to do now is when someone send you the link on your WhatsApp, you click on the WhatsApp link and it will show you install. Okay, so while we wait for mine to install, we are trying to see it's trying to install. Okay, we'll just have patiently wait because of the network is somehow disturbing, so we'll wait for it to install. Meanwhile, if this is the first time of you coming across my YouTube channel, why not subscribe, like, and also drop important comment. And if you have any question concerning any live streaming app you are interested in, drop it on the comment section. You're welcome. Thank you to my returning subscribers. So it has installed. Don't mind the noise around me. It has installed. So what you need to do right now while we wait for it to open, this is the app More to Meet. Yes, it's very interesting, and what interests me most is there is no live streaming. Okay, there's no live streaming. It's just for you to sit on the ground seat, sit on anybody's seat. You can sit in my panel, sit in your panel, and it will be counting. It will be counting. Join agency, your task will not be counting. As you can see in the picture above, the picture that is there, that cycle that's there, if you are not seeing it, this cycle 3% salary, if you are not seeing it, that means your task is not counting. So I'm trying to use my Google account. Okay, so I will just wait a little while. The network is somehow, but I pray when you're doing yours, network will not be frustrating you. So Boloup is interesting. So for here you put your name. Where they have option for name, you put name. If you are a female or male, you can put female or male, which this my host is the female, so I click on female and click on OK. And click on OK. So why I love Boloup so much is because male and female have equal rights, equal task. So also here, I should put my nickname. You can just decide to reduce your name from your full name. You can just decide to put any name you want to put. Okay, that is what nickname is all about. There's nothing different in there. Just put any name you choose to put. That is it. So, and that place you are seeing 0, you can click it and also put your picture. So I'm just waiting for it to confirm. Yes, so this is it. It's open now. So you just click on collect reward. This reward is to welcome you, just give you some little tips like free coin and some reward for coming in new to the app. So what next you need to do? What next you need to do is not difficult. It's not difficult at all. So the next thing you need to do is to click on that me. Yes, the me you are seeing there. You click on it and it will open like this. So once it's open, you can see my nickname, Brown Sugar. You can see becoming host. Click on become host. It's opened already. Then I'm going to be putting my ID. That's the agent that referred you. You put the agent ID. While here, I had to go back to my WhatsApp so I can copy the ID and click on it. Okay, so whoever that is sending you link will also send you link and her ID or his ID. So I've inserted the ID. I'm clicking OK. So this is they send it to agree, then accept. Click on accept. Here, this is the big deal. This is the main deal rather. So yeah, you'll be doing your face authentication. Sometimes it might be stressful, but it's also easy. So I'm trying to put my host face in the straight.
Turn your head to
in
left.
Front of the camera. Make sure the camera is in front of you, and also follow their rules. As you can see, she's turning her face left and right. That is the instruction being given to her. So you see, Boloup registration is very simple. It's very easy to do. So as you do it like this, they will confirm. They can tell you to reset. They can tell you to do it again. So now her own case, they tell her that it's under review, that she should wait under review, which will go and confirm. They have to do it again. If they ask you to do it again, don't be tired until they satisfied you. Okay, until you have that mark good, like good, that means it's confirmed. So this avatar, just for you to put your picture, any picture you want it to show, if you want that picture that will be showing on your, and someone's entering your dashboard, you'll be seeing that picture. So that is what they say you should just select any nice picture you want us to see. So here we are trying to get a nice picture for her cover photo, nice picture that you'll be seeing once you enter her dashboard. And we click and we confirm this one. This is beautiful. She's looking beautiful here. So that is why we selected it. Not mind those things, just coming up and it's under review. So they will tell you congratulations, blah blah blah. Just setting your profile. And you are good to go. Good to go. So this is your profile. Once you finish registration, this is what you will be seeing. This is how it will look like. Don't forget to refer people, because there's amazing bonuses once you refer people and your referrals are doing well. You have sweet benefits, and their task as a new user is 2 hours task, and you'll be getting 5,000 for the 2 hours, and it will last for like 6 to 7 days. So make sure you do your new user task, so you will get more reward. And also buy coin, do exchange, gamble and win big. Thank you so much, guys.